Up to 5 billion people worldwide are not able to resolve their justice needs.
I think it's important now that governments, civil society actors, and the international community on the whole emphasize the need to make commitments.
We should not just come to New York in September for the SDG Summit with words and speeches, but we should come with accelerated action.
Argentina se compromete a poner a las personas en el centro de los sistemas de justicia.
Therefore, the Netherlands commits itself to double the number of persons to whom we provide access to justice through our development assistance by next year.
I and my colleague justice ministers gathered at the G7 and made concrete plans through action points that we made as commitments, which we will be bringing in September.
Para eso, vamos a seguir fortaleciendo la política de los centros de acceso a justicia para generar empoderamiento legal.
We hope that many other countries will make commitments too.
I invite all justice ministers from all over the world to take and champion access to justice.